Our typical client has 5,000 to 10,000 photos they need scanned, but most of our clients have at least 50,000 digital photos that need to be organized, and we've done projects with as many as 5 to 10 million digital photos. Most people feel pretty overwhelmed by that many photos, but we've got a process that I've developed over the last 20 years and it works every time. In a nutshell, we start by gathering all your digital files from your computers, hard drives, phones, cloud accounts, and so on. Then we merge all your digital photos together and we deduplicate them. Now, some of our clients tell us they don't have any duplicates, and of course I chuckle inside because I know the truth. Everybody has duplicates. So we delete the duplicates and the duds, and typically that step alone will clean out about half your digital files. Then we take what's left and organize your digital photos and videos by date. After all, photographs are a capture of a moment in time, so sorting chronologically is the best option. Finally, we add searchable tags for important people, places, and events. To be honest, this is really tedious work, but it's some of the most important work we do, because when we're done, you'll be able to search and find the photo memories that are important to you.